everybody! Welcome to Cucina con Manu! Today I will show you how to prepare stuffed sweet peppers. Peperoni Ripieni was one of the best meals that my grandma used to cook. This dish is very typical in my hometown, Ricetta, in Puglia. You can fill pepperoni with meat, vegetables or mortadella and Pecorino Romano cheese, like me in this video. I hope you will enjoy this recipe and I hope to bring a little bit of Italy to your home. Let's see the ingredients. 2 red sweet peppers. You can use red or yellow sweet peppers. Red is my favorite color, so I chose red. 2 eggs, 50 grams of mortadella, which I have already chopped, 100 grams of mortadella chopped, 70 grams of Pecorino Romano cheese, 60 grams of rice, 10 cherry tomatoes. I already chopped few of them, and 1 garlic. First of all, I will remove the top of the sweet pepper. And I will remove all the inside. I will cut the other pepper. And again, I will remove the inside. You need to remove also all the little seeds. Don't throw away the top of the sweet peppers because we will need it to close them. When we are done, we need a bowl. Now we can add all the ingredients. Let's start with the eggs. We mix them. Then we can add mortadella. We keep mixing. We can add mozzarella. Now we can add Pecorino Romano cheese. We add rice, it's just the raw rice. We can also add some breadcrumbs. If you have capers, you can add them, just 1 small teaspoon. And then at the end we can add some chopped cherry tomatoes. We keep mixing. Once we are done mixing all the ingredients, we need a pan. In the pan we will put some olive oil, some salt. We can put now the cherry tomatoes and we can squeeze them. We can add now the garlic. Now we can fill the sweet peppers. Once we fill it, we can close it with the top. We fill the other sweet pepper. And now we will add a glass of water. The oven is ready at 390 degrees. We can cook them for about 40-45 minutes. See you later. The sweet peppers are ready and I can't wait to taste them. I like to add also on top of it some of the sauce. This is the final result for stuffed sweet pepper, and now let's taste. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video and don't forget to leave me a comment if you try this recipe. A presto, ciao!